Lecture 3. Basic Syntax. Welcome back. In this lecture, we'll dive into the basic syntax of Python. Syntax refers to the set of rules that define how Python code is written and structured. Understanding Python's syntax is the first step to writing programs that work without errors. Let's get started. Section 1. Print statements. Python's print function is used to display output. For example, print hello world. When you run this code, it will display the text hello world on the screen. The print function is one of the most basic and essential tools in Python. Section 2. Indentation. Unlike many programming languages, Python doesn't use braces to define code blocks. Instead, it uses indentation. Let's see an example. If true, print this is indented. Here, the indented line is part of the if statement. If you don't indent properly, Python will throw an error. Section 3. Comments. Comments are lines in your code that Python ignores during execution. They are used to make your code more understandable. Section 4. Case sensitivity. Python is case sensitive. This means that variable names and keywords must be used with the correct case. Section 5. Python keywords. Keywords are reserved words in Python that have special meanings. For example, if, else, for, while, and import. These words cannot be used as variable names. Here's a quick example: if equals 10. This will cause an error. Python will not allow this because if is a keyword. Section 6. Example program. Let's combine everything we've learned so far into a simple example. Task. Write code to print your name and address and also add comments in your code. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you found it helpful and learned something new today. If you enjoyed this content, don't forget to hit the like button and share it with others who might benefit.